me again. There goes the other ferry.
Oh,
Hi. There goes the other ferry we just saw. That means, I think that means we're halfway there.
nice.
Yeah.
Yeah. Gotta be something like that.
Yeah. I got a better camera. This one zooms in really good. I want to see if I get Mount Rainier. You know, if you go to the front, of the boat, it's super windy. It sounds like it's whistling, and it's less noisy.
Yeah, it was like the back of the boat. It seems less crowded and less windy.
Yeah. Looks like we're gonna come over and spy some houses. This is a 4K camcorder.
Oh.
Yeah, it's got 48 megapixels on it.
Oh,
So the image shots could be really good. What's down that? Is that Bremerton Island right there? There's a ferry over there too.
wow. Yeah.
That's
Cambridge Island.
Oh, that's cool. Oh, we think we have a long way to go still because Bremerton is a little bit over less half. So looks like we got another 40 minutes on this thing. Yeah. I can still see Seattle.
Yeah, it's a nice clear day. You can still see it.
Yeah. There's Mount Baker, Mount Rainier. You can see both of them.
That's Mount Baker?
Yeah, over there that's Mount Baker. Yeah, so you can see Mount Baker, Mount Rainier. Cool, huh?
That's really cool. I
Yeah.
didn't hear that.
Yeah. Sorry to make you sad, but it's supposed to rain all day tomorrow. Some people said we might get a little bit of hail.
Well, then I'm glad I read the ferry today.
Yeah, I know. You're probably heading home, are you?
I am, yeah.
That's good.
You got a plane right above us.
Oh, yeah, I see that. Yeah, the other side of the boat, it's super windy, and you can hear it whistling. I could barely get the door open to get out. The front of the door is so strong, the wind is so strong, I can't even get out that well.
Yeah,
I had to push all my might to get the door open.
yeah, it's probably super heavy.
Yeah. You know, Mount Rainier looks a lot bigger, but Mount Baker is actually taller.
Is it?
I think so, yeah.
Oh,
Yeah.
I never knew that.
Yeah. Well, it looks like we're gonna be there really soon. And there's another ferry. There's another ferry down there. What's down there?
Is that Vashon Island?
Oh, that's cool. Like there's a ferry down there too. There's ferries everywhere in the middle of the ocean.
There's another big ship down here.
Finally. Let's see if this guy blows his horn.
Yeah?
That'd be pretty cool. It looks like we're gonna slow down again. It looks like that one's just sitting there. I don't think it's moving at all.
Yeah, I don't think it's moving.
Yeah.